Printing documents one by one. There's a hidden feature that lets you print multiple official receipts and payments instantly in AutoCount. Now you can watch this video to understand it step by step.
Now you want to print, preview and print one by one is very time consuming, right? I give you some tips. If let's say you want a very fast, very quick function to print all but payment voucher and all officer receipt in one shot. Actually, here got one function. You see it's print listing. Actually, inside not only print listing, we can apply for print voucher format. Got report types. Over here, you can switch. Before I switch, I show you what is cash listing first. So cash listing got a lot of formats here. We'll show you all the debit credit transaction, how all these transactions work, and give you a summary of total in journal in a trial balance format. This is listing. Got also listing for boss issue check. If you want the check number and then you want your boss checking, then you can print the listing over here. Check payment only, inquiry and then preview. This listing you can show to your boss every time after you prepare all the check and then ask your check to sign on the check. This is a listing for boss checking. The last function only I show you this payment voucher is the refresh function. Every time we choose this inquiry, actually is the refresh function. So after refresh, you preview, the system will show all the payment voucher in one shot. You just press the print button on top. Very convenient. Then this is the letterhead. After we design the logo and report header, the letterhead will show accordingly. You see, got color and upload the logo as well. This is the format.
Do you want to learn more about operating AutoCount? We have several ways to help you. If you want to learn AutoCount system more systematically, we have classroom training, online training, and one-to-one teaching. But if your schedule is packed, you can also choose our e-learning courses. As long as you have time, you can log into our website and learn the AutoCount system at your convenience. But if you are not sure which option suits you best, you can message me privately and I can give you some advice. Thank you, everyone.